looking for a contractor to do our bathroom, to remodel for us. We knew, having several family members, including my dad, my father-in-law, and several brothers in the business, that there are so many contractors out there that have a tendency to take a down payment and you don't hear back from them. So we knew that in looking for someone to remodel the bathroom for us, we needed to find somebody who knew what they were doing and that we could trust to be in our home even if we weren't here. And when we found Exquisite, we knew that we could trust them. They gave us a quote. They stayed in contact with us, took us to find the products that we needed to finish the bathroom. And having not been through a bathroom remodel before, it was nice to have them there for the support that we knew we needed, but to know that we could pick what we wanted and have them help us through that process. So we didn't do a whole lot here in the bedroom. We repainted. The walls were all white, so it was a little bit stark in here. Paint colors warmed it up and made it feel a lot more comfortable and cozy. So now we can go take a look at the bathroom. So here in the bathroom, we ripped out the counters. We were able to save a little money by keeping the cabinets, but we've refinished them so they would match the rest of the fixtures. And we put in new sinks. The original sinks were not centered over the cabinets, so they were able to center the sinks over the cabinets for us, and they're great. We love it. So as we got into the construction and the demolition of the bathroom, as they pulled out the shower, we realized that there had been a previous remodel and there was no vapor barrier behind the shower. So Exquisite, as they pulled the permits, they also had an inspector come out to make sure everything was done right and up to code. So we love our new tub. We went from a corner tub with jets to just a soaker, which we love. We love our new shower. It's probably twice the size that it was before. The handheld makes it great to clean the shower, and love the rain head. They also did custom tile shelves instead of just the ceramic white shelves that they could put in. It makes it match and looks great. Great bench to be able to sit in the shower and use. We also did the Euro glass. We love the frameless glass. It just looks amazing, and we've loved using it. We've really enjoyed working with Exquisite on our bathroom remodel, and I would highly recommend that anybody use Exquisite for a bathroom remodel, kitchen, or even a basement refinishing.